لا تجزعي.
My young friends, what fascinates people today with regards to their deen is not how they should connect with Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and know whether they have fulfilled their purpose and objective in life. This doesn't concern them and interest them. All the fara'is, the things that Allah has made compulsory upon a human being from the moment he becomes baligh, reaches the age of puberty. Have you carried out your prayer just like Allah has ordained? And if so, have you offered your prayer just like the Prophet ﷺ would offer his prayer? Do you discharge your zakat from your wealth every single day? Do you fast in the month of Ramadan? Have you performed your hajj? Things like this don't concern many people today. Their focus is on the end. Signs of the hour. Qiyamah itself, the day of judgment. This is their focus and attention. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. This is part of Iman. Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhir. Part of Iman is believing in the last day. Last day is haq. This dunya will come to an end. وَالْبَعْثِ بَعْدَ الْمَوْتِ. You will be resurrected. You will stand before your Creator. So that's part of the Imaniyat. But my young friends, they're becoming heedless with regards to the teachings of Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and their focus is only and only on the end, not the preparation for the end. How many times youngsters will come and ask you, okay, the signs have appeared, we've seen all the minor signs. How long before the major signs? How long before Imam Mahdi? How long before the Dajjal? I mean, even at this moment in time in Israel, they believe that their Messiah has come and they wait for the end. This is the mindset of mankind. And again, my young friends, your focus and my focus should be not the end. Our focus should be on what preparation that we have made for the end. What fascinates people with regards to the Day of Judgment, I can never understand. My young friends, you and I are so weak, that the strongest from amongst us, because we've been brought up a life of luxury in England, we've never seen a hard day. We don't know what difficulty is. Ask the people in Sham. They're on the streets from morning till evening looking for a morsel. They'll tell you what difficulty is. Ask the people in Afghanistan. Ask the people in Yemen at this moment in time. The conditions that they live in starvation. They'll tell you what difficulty is. By the grace of Allah, it is Allah's fazl, and it's Allah's rahmah and karam, and it's Allah's love and mercy upon us that you and I have never seen a difficult day. We are so weak that the strongest from amongst us, my young friend, if something as small as a thorn were to prick him, it would be enough to make him cry and not get out of bed for a week. Look what happens when there's an earthquake. Do you jump for joy? When an earthquake takes place, are you celebrating? What happens when there's an earthquake? What happens when there's a hurricane? What happens when there's a landslide? What happens when there's a tsunami? Chaos, destruction, hundreds and thousands are killed, brains, kidneys, lungs are splattered, blood everywhere. Does that excite people? What is a small earthquake, even if it's 10 on the Richter scale, in comparison to what will happen when Allah puts an end, not just to this dunya, not just to earth, Allah puts an end to not just the entire universe, multiverse, whatever is out there, whatever it may be. What do you think will be the state of mankind on that day? That it excites people.
حلفت إن لم تكفري لا تجزعي